Okay guys, a quick review of this Pulse Shower Spa. Pulse is the brand name. I just wanted to note that. This review is not going to be positive because the product is pretty lousy and it hasn't lasted very long. It's about 3 years old. The house is a 2021, thing was brand new then. And customer service refused to stand behind it. That's dedicated to them, this video. So what I have going on here is the thing screams right here. There's a valve behind here and they acknowledge that this valve is probably faulty, but I don't have a warranty because I don't have the receipt, because I'm sure the builder does. But anyway, it also, you can see it's oxidizing. Again, it's only 3 years old, but you can see all the pimples on there. So things falling apart, number one. Number two, it is screaming this high-pitched scream, and that's the company name right there, Pulse, if you can see it, Shower Spa. And it's like a three-way. You can see obviously shoots out of here, shoots out of up above, and then shoots out of the handle. But anyway, just a heads up, I would not recommend this company, this Pulse company, and I would go with Delta or Moen. If you work with those companies, Delta and Moen, you'd be amazed. They stand behind the products. They'll send you parts right away, no questions asked. They'll even replace the whole thing, like automatically without hassling you. So they stand behind it 100%. And as a matter of fact, I know the consultants that work on the call centers for those guys for Delta, and they do a great job. I have to give them credit. So I hope this helps you guys to avoid kind of these cheap products that they don't stand behind and they're skating around the warranty. It's 3 years old, but they can't send me a 2-cent valve to prevent it from screaming or replace it because the whole thing is corroding already. Anyway, I hope that helps you guys, and I appreciate any likes and subscribes. Take care.